Hello everyone! Today I'm going to talk about the weight mirroring function in Max. Sometimes the built-in weight mirroring in Max can be a bit tricky to use, so we've opened up this feature. First, let's open the weight tool, then connect to the tools section. Below, there's a mirror weight panel for mirroring weights. Alright, first we need to differentiate between the bones on the left and right, as well as the central bone. This means mirroring the weights of the left and right bones. So we need to know which bones are on the left, which are on the right, and which is the central bone. Alright, the first method is to select the skin node. Click on Auto to differentiate them. This is how you can distinguish. First, make sure that the character is facing the negative y-axis. So it should be oriented towards the negative y-axis, with the x-axis on both sides. Any bone that is outside of -0.1 is considered a bone on the right side. However, on the panel it shows as left, so right refers to the character's right side. If it's greater than 0.1, that bone is on the character's left side. Bones that fall between 0.1 and 1 are considered central bones, like these vertebrae. You can adjust these values based on the size of your previous software. The default is -0.1 and 0.1. Alright, the first method is to select the skin node, then click on Auto. It will automatically place all the bones in this panel. We can select them to see if they are correct. It should show that they are correct. You can see that it has automatically distinguished them. Another method is to select these bones. First, we can select one of these marks. This is for the back bones. Select all the bones and click on Auto. It can also distinguish them. Clicking on the skin will automatically recognize the bones in the skinning node. Another method is to manually mark them. If you feel something is missing after marking, click on Auto again. Usually, you can select the bones and then mark them. As long as the bone appears in this list, selecting Mark will not label it under any other list. For example, if you mark the center one and then try to mark it in the right list, it won't be able to mark there. Usually, you choose to auto-select. Select the skin node and click on Auto. It will automatically mark it for you. Next, let's talk about mirroring weights. There are two methods. One is to mirror only the left and right bones, or the middle bones. The other is to mirror the entire left and right sides. Let's first try mirroring the middle bones. The bones on the left and right sides are different. These two buttons allow mirroring from left to right, and from right to left. So this is mirroring from the character's left to right. Let's give it a try. Alright, it mirrored the left weights to the right, and the hands weights haven't changed. Because the arms weights were a bit scattered before, some weights disappeared, and the weights got redistributed to the hand. So at this point, we can mirror from left to right. Mirror the left hand to the right. It has mirrored the weights over. The middle part remains unaffected. Now, we can move this hand a bit. You can see this side is normal. This side is also normal. At this moment, we can try overall mirroring. For example, let's add some weights here and brush some on the arm too. Now, let's check. The left and right sides are different. We can directly select this side and choose to mirror from left to right. Just click this, and it will mirror all the weights from the left to the right. As you can see, it has mirrored here, including the middle part as well. The legs are also mirrored. That's how this feature works. Thank you, everyone.